everybody, welcome back to another episode of Beer of the Week. We're coming at you with a fun beer from Niagara-on-the-Lake, the beautiful, posh, British-style township just north of the world-famous city of Niagara Falls. So this brewery in particular, it's a very rural-style brewery. If you go there, you will see that the brewery is actually built out of an old barn. It's a beautiful red barn that they built a brewery inside and out. It's wonderful. It's kind of in the middle of the famous wine scenery, the wine country of Niagara-on-the-Lake. So you'll see lots of beautiful vineyards all around it. It's aesthetically awesome. So what are we drinking today? This is Oast's Porter, the Pitchfork Porter, sort of the symbol of hard work and the rural culture that encompasses Oast Brewery. So we're gonna give it a try. Again, I'm really excited. If you're not too familiar with porters, well, it's a really dark style ale. It's kind of synonymous with, well, like a stout and a porter. They're pretty similar. You go back to their origins. Actually, a stout was birthed from the porter style. So the porter is the original style. Porters, they actually refer to a very working class style of beer, referring to the occupation, a porter, someone who mans a door. Your typical style of beer back in the early 1800s, the late 1700s, your typical working man's beer. So let's crack her open and give her a try. Ooh, sounds great. Really excited for this beautiful dark color. Ooh, boy, big pour. Ooh, pour that, not the best, but hey, we're all just giving it a shot, are we not? Got a little too much head there, but beautiful black color on the bottom, that gorgeous light brown head. Oh, have you ever seen anything so beautiful? So you're gonna get a lot of notes that sort of resonate with like chocolatey, cacao, coffee, sort of roasty, malty dessert flavor. So let's give it a try. Ooh, yeah, that's super nice. Really, like I said, kind of a really lovely dessert beer. Really an excellent choice if you're in the colder portions of the year, because it's sort of nice to have those warm, sort of desserty flavors while you're bundled up next to a fire, kind of watching the snow fall if you live in a place that is cold. We're in Canada, so hey, it's cold a lot. If you're in Niagara, if you're visiting Niagara Falls, it's not too far to venture off the big boulevard next to the waterfalls. Head on down to Niagara on the Lake. Visit Oast House Brewery. This is a wonderful establishment in Niagara. Again, it's quite the staple. Everyone in Niagara is familiar with Oast, and they make tremendous beer. This porter absolutely is a must try. So, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for next week where we sample another wonderful craft beer. Let us know maybe in the comments any beers that you think we should be trying. So, thanks everybody, and remember, craft beer is here.